Have you ever thought that in just a few minutes sitting in front of your screen, you could have a website that looks like it was built by a whole team of professional designers? Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can turn your idea into a fully designed website in just 2 minutes. This is NextGen AI Lab, where we skip the fluff and dive straight into the smartest AI tools that save you hours of work. If you're interested in AI and want to harness its power for yourself, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to go to your browser and type HeyLeia into the search bar. You should see HeyLeia.com right at the top. Click on it. When you get to the home page, you'll see a Get Started button. Click on it. Now, let's get started. It will ask you what your website is about. For example, I want to create a website to review AI tools. I type Introducing AI Tools. Then, click Next, and it will start asking you some questions. You can answer them or click Just Build My Website to automatically create the website for you. But I highly recommend answering them. The more information you provide, the more beautiful and relevant your website will be. Select Ask Me Questions. First question, name your site. I called it NextGen AI Lab, and you enter your business or brand name. Next is your tagline, a short, memorable sentence about who you are. Once you've filled it out, click Next. It will ask if you have your own domain name. If so, you can connect it later. Now click Next. Now comes the important part. Are you selling a product or providing a service? You can choose Product, Service, Both, None. I chose Both and clicked Next. Now, do you want to ask about About? Of course, you need to let people know who you are. Then, it will ask if you want to show features. Choose Yes. Then it will ask about Photo Gallery. I also chose Yes. Now we're getting to testimonials. Super important if you're offering a service. These build trust instantly. I'm definitely adding them. Next, team members. If you have a team, go ahead and add them here. If not, you can skip this. Now, contact form. Always include this. Makes it easy for people to reach you. If you have a logo, you can upload it here. I'll click Browse, pick my logo, then hit Next. Got an old website or blog you want to pull content from? You can drop the link in this Next field. I'm skipping that for now. Then it'll ask if you want to answer even more questions to help fine-tune your design. My tip? Click Yes, ask more, it's worth it. Now, set your tone. I'm going with professional and friendly. That's the vibe I want. Then it asks if you want an image in your About section. I'll choose No for now. Next, how many features to highlight? I'll go with 6. Photos in the gallery? Let's do 6. Testimonials? I'll add 4. Want to show the profile picture of people who gave testimonials? Click Yes. That personal touch makes a difference. Then enter the number of team members and link any social media profiles if you want. Last few steps. Set what you want in your contact form. Read the terms and conditions. Definitely do that later. Enter your email, solve the CAPTCHA, and hit Finish. And boom, let AI do its thing. It'll take maybe a minute or two to generate your entire website.
And there it is.
Fully designed. All the sections we asked for, right there. You can scroll through the desktop version or switch to tablet or mobile view to see how it looks across devices. Click the play button for a full preview. It's honestly impressive. If I were to build this from scratch, it would have taken me at least 2 full days. But this AI tool did it in, what, 2 minutes? Wild. And here's the best part. You can still go back and edit anything. Images, text, layout, you name it. Super flexible. Want to learn how to customize your site even more? Drop me a comment. I'll make a full walkthrough just for that. All right, that's a wrap for today. And that's how you can have a full website ready in just minutes with AI. If this video was helpful, give it a like and share what kind of site you'd build down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to NextGen AI Lab so you won't miss more AI tips and tools coming your way. See you in the next video.